Hey there and welcome back. In our last video you registered your domain name, which is your online address. You just had to go ahead and buy it. Sorry I didn't do that, but I don't need to buy any more domain names. Now it's time to get the land to build your website on. That land is your hosting. It's a service that stores all of your website files and makes them live and accessible on the internet. You can have a great address, but if you don't have the land, you have nowhere to build your business. So we're going to use Namecheap for this as well, as they offer excellent affordable hosting plans. To get started, simply go to the hosting tab on the Namecheap website over here, and for most small businesses, the shared hosting plan is more than enough to get started. It's the most affordable option and will give you everything you need to get your business online. Now, select a plan. The Stellar plan is perfect for a brand new website. It comes with a free SSL certificate, I believe, which will keep your website safe and secure and fast enough to handle all your traffic. Just add it to your cart. You'll see the checkout page next, where you will choose a monthly or yearly plan. I recommend going for the yearly plan, as it gives you a bigger discount. So in the next lesson, we're going to connect your new domain name to your hosting, which is the final step before we can start building your website. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. Go ahead and complete your hosting registration. Once you're done, head back to the community tab and let us know you're ready for the next step. And if you have any problems, just let us know and we will help you out. Cheers.